Hello everyone! Today I have prepared for you a continuation of the theme of plants in the interior. So, let's begin! Flowers are the best choice for natural interior decoration. But you should choose those species that do not require special and complex maintenance conditions. Properly selected plants will not only fit organically into the overall space, but will also serve as natural air filters and help in creating a healthy microclimate. Flowers, like other plants, can make home or workspace more lively, stylish, comfortable. Interior greening is especially relevant in urban areas, so every person needs contact with living plants. Plants in interior design are used to make the environment more natural, calming, and comfortable. Well, I hope you like the ideas I prepared for you. If you like my videos, I am waiting for your likes and comments. Have a nice day!